Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 52 minus 11 is equal to 41. Then again 52 minus 11 is equal to also 41. Now 41 multiply 41 is equal to 1681. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay, now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so here is subtraction, here is multiplication, and here is subtraction. First we have to solve this multiplication. Okay, so is equal to 52 minus, now 11 multiply 52 is equal to 572 minus 11. Okay, so now only subtraction is left. Okay, so here is subtraction and here is subtraction, both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, so 52 minus 572 is equal to minus 520 minus 11. Okay, now minus 520 minus 11 is equal to minus 531. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 531. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.